Hello guys. Today, we received a Lenovo Ideapad 320-15 IAP laptop for a slow issue. As it is currently running on a hard disk, we are going to install a solid-state drive to boost performance. Additionally, we will fit the hard disk in a DVD caddy as the customer wants to keep the old hard disk for data storage. Let's start with disassembling the back panel by removing all the screws. Using the opening pry to open back cover. Disconnecting the battery and removing the hard disk. Removing the hard disk cover and fitting solid-state drive in it. Connecting the battery and fitting back the back cover. As some of the screws were missing, we have to look in our old stash. Let's turn it on and check the BIOS for SSD detection. Our new SSD is detected. Now we are going to fit the hard disk in the DVD caddy. To do that, we are going to need the back screw bracket and front plastic cover of DVD. DVD caddy comes with 4 sets of screws. Fitting the back screw bracket and the top plastic cover of the DVD. Fitting the hard disk into the DVD caddy. We are checking if the caddy is detected or not, as it's booting from the hard disk with Windows, which means it's detected. In order to use an SSD, we need to install the operating system on it as it comes blank. Thank you for watching. Hope you like the video. Contact uTechies for upgrading your laptop.